Hey guys, so right now we're about to head downstairs to do some tummy time and some playtime. As you guys know, it's really important for your babies to do their tummy time. It helps strengthen their back muscles, arm muscles, and everything. You can never start too early pretty much. So what we like to do is just like lay him down, let him get used to, moving his head and his neck around. So he's getting better at it. So tummy time, playtime, and then he does have like a checkup later, and we'll probably go get some food. I am craving some sushi, so we will see how that goes. So yeah, let's head downstairs.
Oh yeah? Go Avery. Yeah?
He likes tummy.
Yep. Picking that head up a little bit.
Don't let him clank himself in a... Time to breastfeed. Time to breastfeed.
Alright guys, so now we are heading to Mooch's checkup appointment. I love going to his little appointments, just seeing his little growth. It's not by much, of course, but like, it's super cute. So yeah, we're heading to his checkup appointment, and I'll talk to you guys after. I'm not sure what we're doing after. I think we're supposed to stop by somewhere, so we'll see.
Get it on that. While we in here.
It's okay.
It's over.
Yeah, I'm just holding his butt cheeks so he can knock it out.
So it's gonna happen now or in like an hour?
No, it will happen soon, but he's pushing it out a little bit. Tony Poop is coming out.
Oh.
They got the tight.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm just making I'm saying we know what's happening, so
I feel like it's loose in the back. What size is this? He might need this newborn, y'all. Probably
one already?
He needs bigger?
Yeah.
Oh, my big baby.
Alright. This is a sample of your milk. You could try it out.
Okay. Thank you. There you go.
Alright guys, that was an interesting appointment. They had to give Mooch a suppository because he has been constipated the last few weeks. So if you don't know what that is, it's basically a pill that they put in his little bum, and it made him go to the bathroom. Well, it made, like, if anything's like backed up or clogged up, it makes it come out. So yeah, he should be doing so much better. I want to stop and get a few things, but I know we should probably head home with him. My husband and I, well, we're probably about to stop by the, what's it called? I can't think. the cabinet place because we're about to start getting renovations done to our kitchen. So we do want to see our cabinet options, the finishes, and the different setups of how we want our kitchen. We'll probably keep the same setup, but we're just going to make sure. So I'll see you guys when we get there, or maybe after we get to the store. Bye. But I'm so excited, you guys. Out of all the renovations we've done to the house, this is like the one I am most, well, our primary bathroom was the first one, but this is the second one that I'm just super excited about. So we've done a lot of renovations on our house. We first started with our front room. We did the flooring, and then we did the upstairs guest bathroom. Then we did our bedroom a little bit, and we did our primary bathroom. Then it was the foyer, my beauty room, and the nursery from when Mooch had came, you know, before I gave birth. I think I put that in the vlog. And then we're working on the dining room. We did the living room as well. And now we're on to the kitchen. And we're also going to be getting the front porch extended. And I think we're going to be getting our porch screened in, which is exciting. So we, you know, cut down a lot of trees in the yard. We're probably going to get our yard leveled, the backyard leveled, so we could do some things like bonfires, possibly a pool. I'm not sure. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when we get there to the cabinet store, I think. I'm not sure what we're doing today. I'm kind of all over the place if you can't tell. Alright guys, we're about to head home and turn the radio down. Oh, and another video I realized that I haven't done yet that I do want to do is a postpartum video. All about like postpartum care and like the things that go on. Some things I did hear about, but some things I don't know. It's not that I didn't know, but like it really didn't register like what it meant for that to be happening. I know it probably doesn't make sense, but it'll make sense in the postpartum video. And I'll be showing you guys, like, because everybody tells you to take everything you possibly can from the hospital because, you know, your insurance pays for it. And I'll show you guys everything we got from the hospital. It's so much stuff, probably stuff I won't even use right now. But yeah, so the next few videos, like I said, I want to do the postpartum video. I do want to let you guys know like what I packed in my hospital bag versus like what I used. I think I did really good at packing my hospital bag. I used pretty much everything. I did do a lot of research and watch a lot of other women's videos, other women that's had like multiple kids, so like, you know basically what's happening and what to bring. I feel like something else they don't talk enough about is mom brain. I heard women talking about mom brain, but like, y'all, mom brain is crazy. Like, some people already, I was included, you know, like when you walk into the room you forget why you walked in there. Imagine that like times 10 for everything. It's like now I can't even remember words. You know, like when you say like 2 words and you mix the first letter of each word. I keep doing that and I cannot stand doing that. But it's like words just like my mind knows what I want to say, but the words do not come out, or if they come out, they come out jumbled. It's a mess. So it's just a bunch of stuff I want to talk to you guys about that's just been going on. Like, becoming a mother is literally insane. It's literally insane. It's beautiful, don't get me wrong, I love it when traded for the world, but like it's a crazy roller coaster. So yeah, a lot of videos coming up, you guys. I feel like I've been rambling, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Always leave below comments of future videos you guys would like to see, any questions or anything, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.